wanted to redesign your home but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you were worried about the high cost of hiring an interior designer? Today, I'll show you an incredible AI tool that can transform any room into a stunning design in just a few seconds. It's called Home Design AI, and it might just revolutionize the way you decorate your home. You'll see the big red button. Start designing now. And here's the best part. It's 100% free, no sign-up required, and you can create unlimited designs. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Choosing your method. You have two main options. Image to design that you upload a photo of your room. Text to design that you simply describe the room you imagine. Step 2. Demo with image to design. Let's try image to design. First, click Upload Image to drag and drop a photo of your room. It supports JPG and PNG up to 10 megabytes. Next, select your room type. The list is huge. Living room, bedroom, kitchen, dining room, gaming room, coffee shop, even restaurants. Then choose your design style. You'll find over 20 styles like modern, Scandinavian, industrial, minimalism, Japanese, Mediterranean, and many more. You can also add extra notes in the additional information box. For example, add more natural light, use warmer tones, include modern furniture. Finally, hit the red Generate Design button, and within seconds, your new design will appear in the preview panel on the right. Step 3. Demo with text to design. But what if you don't have a photo? Easy. In text to design, just type something like a minimalist bedroom with lots of natural light and white walls. And in less than 30 seconds, the AI generates a professional quality design for you. Here's what makes Home Design AI powerful. Image to image transformation. Turn any photo into a fresh new design. Text to image creation. Design with nothing but words. 20+ interior styles to choose from. Lightning fast results in under 30 seconds. Professional quality output trained on thousands of real design examples. And privacy protection. Your photos and designs remain 100% safe. Let's look at some real transformations. An old living room turned into a bright, modern, minimalist space. A traditional kitchen upgraded with an industrial-style makeover. And a classic study room redesigned into a stylish, contemporary office. Thousands of people are already using this tool. Interior designers say it speeds up their workflow dramatically. Real estate agents use it to sell properties faster. And regular homeowners love seeing before and after comparisons to finally visualize their dream home.